your homework. Online and hybrid students, so our classes will run on app. So for Android user, you can download it from your Play Store. ठीक है, iOS वाले अपना Apple Store से, और जिनको विंडो पे करना है तो विंडो की भी ऐप है. Those who want to see the lecture on laptop, so window app is also there. Okay, so I tell you the chapter list from 8th NCERT, 8th ICSE board book. Eight NCERT chapter number 1, rational number. Chapter number 2, you can try linear equation in one variable. Chapter number 6, square and square roots. Don't do cube root, we don't need. Chapter number 8, comparing quantities. Chapter number 12, exponents and powers. Whereas in ICSC, chapter number 1, rational number. Chapter number 2, exponents and power. Chapter number 3, square and square roots. Chapter number 5, playing with number. Chapter number 7, later, percentage and its application. Major difference in NCERT in 6th, 7th, 8th, they have not covered percentage, but in ICSC they have included percentage as well. The rest is more or less same. Or many students, they have shared PDF in the Telegram group. काफी student ने PDF share किया, I have seen that. So you can use those PDF. Otherwise, we will share later percentage and ratio PDF in Telegram group from ICSC board. Any doubt from previous lecture? Any question from the board mass rule? No? Online students, am I audible? One student, Raja Singh, asked question number 5. I will take that. In the meanwhile, online will join. Then I take next topic. Any other question from your side? From the NCERT? Other than that, what we have covered? Okay. Topic? Estimate. 5 digits, 6 digits. Ask me after the class. Let me check whether I'm going to include that in next classes or not. If I'm planning to include that, you have to wait. Otherwise, you can ask me after the class. Question number 5, practice question is 14 divided by small bracket start 3 of 2 minus 3 plus 4. Of means multiplication. 5% of 60. 5% of 60. So we do 5 upon 100 into 6. So 14, 3, 3 plus 4 minus 9, 5 minus 3. 14, 6 minus 3 plus 4, 9, 5 minus 3. So it is 14, 6 plus 1. This is minus 18. This is 14 divided by 7 minus 18. So it is 2 minus 18 minus 16 is the answer. Even one student replied minus 16 is the answer. So in this type of calculation, of means multiplication. Of order means power. ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, जहां पे वर्ड ऑफ, देयर आर टू थिंग, ऑफ और ऑर्डर. ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन, ऑर्डर मीन्स पावर. 3 of 2 means 3 is to power 2. 3 of means multiplication, order means power. I told you rule, V board mass, V means vinculum, B means bracket, O means off. O पे दो चीजें यूज करते हैं, या तो ऑफ होगा या ऑर्डर होगा. ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन, ऑर्डर मीन्स पावर. Point is the difference is whether the word of और डिवीजन इज रिटन. मतलब एक ही क्वेश्चन में ऑफ है और डिवीजन है, तो यहाँ पे ऑफ को पहले सोल्व करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू सोल्व दिस ऑफ फर्स्ट बिफोर दिस डिवीजन, एंड वी हैव टू सोल्व दिस मल्टीप्लिकेशन आफ्टर. ऑर्डर बदल जाएगा बिकॉज ऑफ द वर्ड ऑफ. यू हैव टू डू दिस कैलकुलेशन फर्स्ट बिफोर योर डिवीजन. डिवीजन से पहले ऑफ सोल्व करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू डू दिस ऑफ फर्स्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, प्रैक्टिस. This list is from 8th standard book for the basic topic. बेसिक के लिए है, एडवांस के लिए नहीं है. जिनका बेसिक क्लियर है, they just read the theory part. Question number 4 here is minus 3 multiply bracket start minus 12 divided by minus 4 plus 3 into 6. See why they have used this bracket, so that there will not be two symbol at a time. Multiplication and subtraction will not be at a same time, so that's why they have used this symbol. So we have a division. So let us solve this division first. Minus 12 divided by minus 4. Negative negative cancel, it give you 3. Then it is minus 3 multiply with plus 3 into 6. So it will be 3 into 3, 9, negative into positive, negative, minus 9 plus 18. So overall your answer will be plus 9. When you divide a negative value by a negative value, negative negative cancel. Negative multiply with negative become positive. Negative multiply with positive become negative. Negative into positive is negative. So minus 3 multiply with plus 3 give you minus 9. Fine. Okay. Okay, online students, fine. Yesterday, not yesterday, day before yesterday, I told you we have two type of fraction. One is 1 by 2, one is 1 by 3. What is 1 by 2? When we convert in decimal, it is 0.5. These are called terminating decimal. Whereas what is 1 by 3? 0.33333333. These are called non-terminating but repeating. and we call this as recurring decimal also. This is also known as recurring decimal. Okay. Now the point here is mathematician people, they are smart people. Like what they have done, see, we can't write this 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3, so it's never ending. So we have a symbol, we write 0.3, we put bar on 3. But it is a different from vinculum. Vinculum is a bar bracket. This bar represent this 3 reoccur again and again. If there are any digit which repeat again and again, we put a bar on that. This 3 is recurring digit. So that's why we put a bar on 3. Similarly, if we have 0.1313131313 and so on. So here it is 0.13, we put bar on 13. Here this 13 reoccur again and again. Similarly, like 0.213, 213, 213, 213 and so on. So what we will do, we put a bar on 213. So this 213 reoccur again and again. So these are called recurring decimal. Okay, non-terminating but repeating. Whether only one digit repeat, maybe 2 digit repeat, maybe 3 digit repeat, maybe 4 digit repeat. So based on this, we have our topic. You put heading, how to convert this type of decimal into fraction. Right? How to convert recurring decimal into fraction. We have to convert this recurring decimal into fraction. Like, I take one question. 0.33333. Okay. We have to convert this in recurring, this into fraction. I tell you two methods. One is long method, another is shortcut. Okay. We take it as x. We call it as equation number 1. I think all of you know in equation we have two sides. This is called left hand side. This is called right hand side. Left hand side, right hand side. Okay. When you read that topic in your NCERT, simple equation on one variable or simple equation topic, I just brief you about some rule. Left hand side, right hand side. Rule is you can multiply both sides by same value. If for example, for your calculation purpose, you have to multiply, you want to multiply with 2, it is allowed. But provided that you multiply right hand side also with 2. You have to do the same treatment. If you want to divide it by 2, it is allowed, but provided that right hand side also you have to divide by 2. You have to give the same treatment. If you offer gulab jamun here, you have to offer to this kid also. There are 2 kids. अगर इसको थप्पड़ मारा तो इसको भी लगेगा, नहीं तो ये ज़्यादा रोएगा फिर, ठीक है? So you have to give same treatment. If you want to do, you can do addition also. There are 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So you can do, but provided that same you have to do on right hand side. If you want to add 10, you can do, but you have to add 10 in right hand side also. In case if you want to subtract 10, you are allowed, but provided that you do minus 10 in other side also. So we can apply all the 4 operations in our simple equation, but rule is if you add, you have to add on both sides. If you subtract, you have to subtract both sides. If you multiply, you have to multiply both sides. If you divide, you have to divide on both sides. Now, what I will do, I multiply with 10 on both sides. So tell me x multiply with 10, what we will get? 10x. And 0.33333, when you multiply with 10, what will happen? It becomes 3 point. Your decimal will shift one place on the right side. ये जो आपका decimal है ये इधर shift हो जाएगा. So it will become 3.33333. This is equation number 2. Okay. This is equation number 2. And when you have two equations, you can add two equations, you can subtract two equations. So what I will do, equation number 2 minus equation number 1. This is 10x is equal to 3.33333. This is equation number 2. Equation number 1 is x is equal to 0.33333, which is our question actually. Is it clear? I multiply x with 10, I get 10x. I multiply this value by 10, I get 3.33. Minus. What is 10x minus 1x? 9x. What is 3.333 minus 0.33? Part after decimal is exactly same. So 3 minus 0. And you get answer. So what is x? Achha, one more thing. If on left hand side this 9 is multiplied here, if you take on right side it will be divided. एक तरफ कोई मल्टीप्लाई है, यू कैन टेक अदर साइड बट इट विल बिकम रिवर्स. मतलब वो मल्टीप्लाई है तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा, डिवाइड है तो मल्टीप्लाई. 9 into x, this is actually 9 into x is equal to 3. So 9 is multiplied here. You can take 9 other side but it will be divided. So x is equal to 3 by 9. You got a fraction, you simplify 1 by 3, this is your answer. This is a lengthy method. I don't want to teach you this method. Only the purpose is, see here, we are getting 9 in our denominator because I give you a shortcut. For this type of question, we need only 2 seconds. I will tell you the shortcut directly. But when I tell shortcut, student, they ask, sir, from where 9 is coming? Why 9 is coming? Because 10x minus 1x give 9x and we take 9 other side. I will take 9 in my denominator in my shortcut. वो 9 आ कहाँ से रहा है? 10x minus 1x की वजह से. Sometimes we have to do 100x minus 1x. We will get 99x. Then you have to take 99 other side. So you get 299 in your denominator. This is a lengthy method. Believe me, it take 1 minute. Because we have a shortcut. We can solve this type of question in just 2 seconds. Our topic is how to convert recurring decimal into fraction. That is our topic. So now what I do, I categorize question in 3 type 1 question. And for each type, I will take minimum 3 examples so that all of you can understand. Like my question number 1 is 0.333333. We have to convert this in fraction. Question number 2 is 0.131313. We have to convert this in fraction. Question number 3, 0.123123. We have to convert this in fraction. I have 2 options. Option number 1, I tell you this method, which is time consuming. Okay? Sometimes confusing also for some of students. Or alternate is, I tell you shortcut. Now we write it as 0.3 bar on 3 because this 3 reoccur again and again. Second question I write 0.13 bar on 13. This 13 reoccur again and again. This is 0.123 bar on 123 because this 3 digit repeat again and again. जो भी digit repeat हो रहे होंगे उनके ऊपर बार जाएगा. 1 2 3 reoccur again and again. That's why we put bar on 1 2 3. And in fraction, what we have? Numerator upon denominator. So we are looking for numerator as well as denominator, numerator as well as denominator, numerator as well as denominator. Rule for this denominator. Simple rule. In our denominator, we have as many 9 as many digit under the bar. Here, how many is under the bar? 1. So we have to put 1 9. Second question, how many digit under the bar? 2. So you have to put 2 9. How many digit under the bar? 3. So you have to put 3 9. See, we have 1 digit on the bar, 1 9. We have 2 digit on the bar, 2 9. We have 3 digit on the bar, 3 9. Since these are very easy question, numerator number as it is. What is your number? 3. So it is 3 by 9, 1 by 3. You get the same answer, and that is only in 2 seconds. In second question, what is your number? 13. So your answer will be 13 upon 19. That's it. If there is a scope of simplification, simplify. Otherwise, this itself is the answer. In the third number, what is your number? 1, 2, 3, 123. So it is 123 upon 999. Simplify. ये 3 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा 41 upon 30. और for today's lecture, don't worry about simplification. If you are able to find answer is 123 upon 999. Okay. Slowly and gradually you have to simplify also. हमें simplified answer निकालना होता है वैसे. But if you are able to understand this part, it's all. I repeat, in our denominator, as many 9, as many digit under the bar, numerator number as it is. Here it is 3, so 3 by 9, it is 13 upon 99, it is 123 upon 999, simplify. I take one more question, then I ask you 3 for example. Question number 4. 0.555555. If anyone asks me to convert this in fraction, step number 1, I write it as 0.5 bar on 5. Because 5 is a recurring digit here. 5 reoccur again. Then how many digit under the bar? 1. So 1 9. And what is the number? 5. So my answer is 5 by 9. Simple. Direct shortcut. Now I ask you 4 questions. Try, keep answer with yourself. Question number 5, 6, 7, 8. 0.4444. 0.212121. 0.213213. 0.1234, 1234, 1234. Your question has been answered by other person issue. ठीक है, लेकिन हमें उस मेथड की जरूरत नहीं है. वी डोंट नीड दैट मेथड. वो सिर्फ एक एनसीईआरटी बेस्ड मेथड है विच इज अ लेंथी मेथड. एक्चुअली टू रिमेंबर दिस शॉर्ट ट्रिक, वो सिर्फ ये बताने के लिए था कि 9 आएगा. 9 कहाँ से आ रहा था? 10x माइनस 1x करने से. तो वी आर डायरेक्टली फाइंड द आंसर बाय यूजिंग शॉर्टकट. डन. Here this is 0.4 bar on 4. This is 0.21 bar on 21. 0.213 bar on 213. 0.1234 bar on 123. Done. Here first question, there is 1 digit in the bar, 19, numerator number as it is. I think all of you could answer 4 by 9. Second question, there are 2 digits in the bar, so 99, numerator as it is. Simplification, yes, you can divide by 3, 7 upon 30. Third question, how many digit on the bar? 3. So 999, numerator 213, simplify 71 upon 330. Last number 99991234. Okay. We will see later when I will cover divisibility topic. Then you will be fast in simplification if there is a scope of simplification. Type 1 clear. Very simple. Type 1 is very simple. Many students they say, sir, I left mathematics after 6th standard. Doesn't matter. मैं ये चीज 4th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे को भी पढ़ा सकता हूँ और वो उसको भी समझ में आएगी. कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं. इट्स वेरी इजी. ठीक है, सबको समझ में आ गया ना. And see, let me tell you, these are our basic lectures only. But मैं अभी बताने वाला हूँ आपको एक चीज. See, it is not like how I teach. It is how you accept it. See, if you have a block in your mind, like many people they say, I have phobia with mathematics. I don't know what is the meaning of phobia. ठीक है, I have a block, मुझे नहीं समझ में आएगा. तो आप अगर पहले से ही गेट बंद करके रखेंगे, it doesn't matter how hard I push that gate, I will not able to open that gate. आपने सिर्फ अपना दिमाग खुला रखना है. Believe me, P and C is also as easy as this. Only the thing you should have interest. ठीक है, आपका मैथमेटिक्स इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट. यू कैन सी मे बी एनी ऑफ योर फ्रेंड इज गुड इन मैथमेटिक्स. अगर मैथमेटिक्स डिफिकल्ट होता तो उसके लिए भी होता. मैथमेटिक्स इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव इंटरेस्ट इन मैथमेटिक्स. मैथमेटिक्स को बदनाम करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, आपका इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, दैट्स इट. Even in GS also there are variety of topic subject you have. Maybe you have interest in polity, that's why polity is easy to you. You don't have interest in ecologies, maybe ecology is hard for you. But the moment you have interest in ecology, then ecology will be very easy for you. Believe me, mathematics is very interesting, very interesting. क्योंकि logical है, not like social science or your humanity subject where way you think you can interpret the thing. वो नहीं चलता यहाँ पे. ठीक है, a प्लस बी तो 2 + 3 5 ही है यहाँ पे. इज इट ओके? नेक्स्ट इज टाइप 2. Type 2 is main. I take total 3 type, type 1, type 2, type 3. If you understand type 2, type 3 will be easy for you. It's like your process. Prelims, mains, interview. Mains is important. Mains सबसे important phase है actually आपकी preparation में. Similarly, type 2. If you can understand type 2, type 3 is easier for you. I will take 5 examples because I know type 2, some of you may understand with first example itself. Some of you need multiple example. So I will take 5 examples. First I take 3 example. If you will able to understand with 3 example, wonderful. If you will not able to understand, wait, I will take 2 more examples. फिर भी नहीं समझ में आएगा, I give you 3-4 question for practice. फिर भी नहीं समझ में आएगा, I will take more examples. ठीक है. What is the difference in type 1 and type 2? Type 1 is very simple. Immediately after decimal we have repetition. Whereas in type 2 after decimal there will be digit, then we have repetition. This is 0.1666. Immediately after decimal you don't have your recurring digit. After decimal there is a digit 1, then there is a repetition 666. इस तरह के example. So I take 3 examples. My example number 1, 0.133333. Second example 0.12555555. Third example 0.12676767 and so. The difference is after decimal you have digit, then you have repetition. इमीडिएटली आफ्टर डेसिमल वी डोंट हैव रिपीटिशन, डेसिमल में कुछ डिजिट होंगे फिर रिपीटिशन हो। 0.1 bar on 3, 3 reoccur again and again. This is 0.12 bar on 5, this 5 reoccur again and again. This is 0.12 bar on 6, 7, because this 6, 7 reoccur again and again. Here 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. So there are 2 digit reoccur again and again. Now here numerator and denominator, let us start with denominator first. Now for this denominator we have 2 rules. Rule number 1 we already studied. Rule number 1 is, in our denominator we have as many 9 as many digit under the bar. See, there is 1 digit under the bar, we have to put 1 9. Second question, there is 1 digit on the bar, 1 9. Third question, there are 2 digit on the bar, you put 2 9. As many 9 as many digit under the bar. मतलब जितनी डिजिट आपके बार के नीचे होंगे उतने 9 चले जाएंगे. Here next is rule number 2 for denominator. Rule number 2 is, after this 9 we have as many 0 as many digit between decimal and recurring part. मतलब decimal के बाद है but recurring digit नहीं है. जैसे like this is 0 1 3 3 3. 3 we represent as 9. There is a digit between decimal and recurring part that will become 0. As many 0 as many digit between decimal and recurring part. So we put 1 0 because there is 1 digit. In the second question, how many digit? 2. So you have to put 2 0. In third question, how many digit? 2. So here also you have to put 2 0. We have 2 things, 9 and 0, as many 9 as many digit under the bar, as many 0 as many digit between decimal and recurring part. As many 9 as many digit under the bar, as many 0 as many digit between decimal and recurring part. As many 9 as many digit under the bar, as many 0 as many digit between decimal and recurring. Next is numerator. Here for numerator also we have 2 things. Here numerator in this type of question is total number minus non-recurring part. Total number minus non-recurring part. So here what is total number? 13. Out of this 1 and 3 which is non-recurring? 1. So 13 minus 1 is non-recurring. So here this is your answer, 12 upon 90, simplify. I repeat, total number. What is total number? 1 to 5 minus 12 which is non-recurring. Don't do minus 5, 125 minus 12 जो repeat नहीं हो रहा है. So it will be 113 upon 900. Here what is total number? 1267 minus 12. So it is 1255 upon 9900. Simplify. I take 2 more example. मेरे को पता था ना स्टूडेंट ये चीज पूछेंगे कि सर डिनोमिनेटर में हो क्यों रखा है, मतलब डिनोमिनेटर में वाई वी आर यूजिंग 9. 9 आया कहां से? ये 9 आया यहां से. If you want, I can teach each and every question with a lengthy method, which will take 2 to 3 minutes. But whereas this type of question required only 2 to seconds. 10x minus 1x give 9x. 100x minus 1x will give you 99x. फिर 99 को उधर लेके जाएंगे तो 9 आएगा। ओके, लेट मी टेक क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ऑन टाइप 2। 0.255555, 0.2575757 and so. I will solve. First thing we express it as 0.2 bar on 5. This is 0.2 bar on 57. So here, as many 9, as many digit on the bar, there is one digit 19. There are two digits, so double 9. As many 0, डिनोमिनेटर में दो चीजें याद रखनी है, 9 and 0. As many 9, as many digit under the bar, followed by as many 0, as many digit between decimal recurring part 1 0. Here also how many 0? 1, because there is only one digit between decimal recurring part. Numerator is total number minus non-recurring part. What is total number? 25. What is non-recurring? 2. So your answer is 23 upon 90. Question number 4, my answer is coming 23 upon 90. Now here, in this question, your total number is 257. And what is non-recurring? 2. So it is 255 upon 990. Divide by 5, divide by 3. ये simplify कर लेना. But our main concern is to remember this process. Simplification we can do later. बाद में देखेंगे. Let me ask you 3 questions. Go step by step. Till if you will have problem, I can take more exam. Okay. So I have taken question number 4, 5. Next is question number 6, 7, 8. 0.1, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 0.3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. 0.21, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. If you can give me a simplified answer, that is best. Otherwise, at least you tell me what is numerator, what is denominator. Now here, this question is 0.1 bar on 6. This is 0.3 bar on 4, 5. This is 0.21 bar on 3, 4. As many 9, as many digits in the bar 1, 9. as many 0, as many digit between decimal recurring part 1 0. There are 2910. This is 2920. Here 16 minus 1. 15 upon 90 simplify करेंगे 1/6. This is total number 345 minus 3, 342 upon 990. Yes, you can simplify. क्या आ रहा है सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद? 19 2 से जाएगा, 3 से जाएगा, फिर एक बार और 3 से जाएगा, 171 या पहले 3 से कर लेते, 114 अपॉन 330 और 3 से जाएगा, 3 8 19 upon 50. If you got answer 342 upon 990, okay. But if you have simplified, you got 114 or any other value. या लास्ट तक अगर आप सिंप्लीफाई करते जाएंगे, you get 19 upon 50. You can try. Now here, next question. What is your total number? 2134 minus 21. Be careful. कुछ लोग गलती से 34 कर देते हैं. 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 2 1, 2 1 1 3 upon 9900. 3 से तो जाएगा नहीं, 11 से भी नहीं जाएगा, 2 से भी नहीं जाएगा, तो we will not able to simplify. 5 से भी नहीं जाएगा, so this is your answer. I think you got this answer. 21139900. Any one of you have problem? I can take more example. Clear? All of you? Type 3 is easy. Now what is type 3? Have you noticed I have taken each and every question like 0 point something, 0 point something. So type 3 is if before decimal also we have some digit like 1.333. That's it. So in type 3 I will take this type of number also, means before decimal also we have some digit. I take 4 example, then I ask you 3-4 question. Still if there will be doubt, I can take more example. Let me solve 4 question first. 1.333333. Question number 2, 2.45555555. Question number 3, 12.3565656. A mix. Before decimal also you have digit, after decimal also some digit, then repetition, recurring part. So first thing is we write it as 1 point bar on 3. 3 reoccur again and again. Here it is 2.4 bar on 5. Here it is 12.3 bar on 5 6, because this 5 6 reoccur again and again. But denominator we have 2 rule, 9 0. As many 9, as many digit under the bar. Tell me how many digit in the bar? 1, so 1 9. How many digit? Oh, okay. How many 9? 1, because there is 1 digit in the bar. How many 0? As many digit between decimal and recurring part. So do we have any digit here between decimal and recurring part? No, so don't put 0. 0 तभी आएगा when you have a digit between decimal and recurring part. In this question, like here we have 1 digit under the bar, so we put 1 9. Tell me how many digit between decimal and recurring part? 1, so we put 1 0. Here third question, how many digit under the bar? 2, so 2 9. How many digit between decimal and recurring part? 1, so 1 0. Is it okay? Simple. Denominator is very simple. Denominator requirements are 2. Denominator has 2 requirements. First requirement is as many 9, as many digit under the bar followed by as many zero as many digit between decimal and recurring. उनके लिए 0 और उनके लिए 9. Simple. No other rule. Nothing else we need in denominator. Numerator is total number minus non-recurring part. See here. What is total number? 13. And what is non-recurring? 1. Before decimal ही क्यों ना हो? 1 is not repeating, only 3 is repeating. So it is 13 minus 1 upon 9. 12 by 9. So simplify 4 by 3. And you can check. In your mobile, 4 by 3 is nothing, 1.3. Total number minus non-recurring part. That is numerator. Be careful. In second question, some students they do mistake. Total number is okay 245. By mistake they do 245 minus 5 minus 4. No, it will be 24. Decimal भूल जाओ यहाँ पे. See, your number is 2.4555. Out of 3 digit, tell me which is not repeating. 2 and 4. So 24 you have to. Neither 2 is repeating nor 4 is repeating. Only 5 is repeating. So we have to put the number which is not repeating. Non-recurring. उसको हम non-recurring बोलते हैं. Now here 5 minus 4 1. 24 minus 2 22. 2 to 1 upon 90. This is your answer. Let me repeat. What is the total number? 1 2 3 5 6. 12,356 minus what is non-repeating? 1 2 3. So 6 minus 3 3. 5 minus 2 3. 3 minus 1 2. This is 12,233 upon 990. If there is a scope of simplification, you can do. Otherwise, this is the answer. Let me take one more question. Let me take one more question. Question number 4. 24.45555555. I will solve. 24.4 var on 5 because this 5 reoccur again and again. How many digit under the 1? 1. So 1 9. How many digit between decimal and recurring part? 1 1 0. Okay. Numerator total number. What is total number? 2445 minus non-recurring 244. 5 minus 4 1. 4 minus 4 0. 24 minus 2201 upon 90. If you can simplify, okay. Otherwise this. Because in this class my concern is not simplification. My concern is that you have to remember the steps. बिल्कुल simple है. Numerator is total number minus non-recurring part. Denominator में you have as many 9 as many digit under the bar followed by as many 0 as many digit between decimal and recurring. I ask you 3 questions. Go slow step by step. See, the idea is about short trick is it is not about speed. It is about to learn the concept. अगर आपको ये method पता है, there is no need to go fast. Automatically you get answer in 5, maximum 10 seconds. 10 seconds से ज़्यादा तो लगने ही नहीं. Question number 5, 6, 2.3333 1.455555 21.344444. Take time, convert this recurring decimal into Okay. Any one of you facing problem for this type of question? Category 0 student, अभी भी इशू है? सबके लिए ठीक चल रहा है? स्पीड ओके? आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, now here 2 bar on 3, 1.4 bar on 5, 21.3 bar on 4. There is one digit under the bar, 19, and there is no digit between decimal point, so don't put 0. Total number 23 minus 2, so it is 21 upon 9, 7 by 3. Next question. How many digits in the bar? 1, 1, 9. How many digits between decimal point? 1, 0. So 145 minus 40. 5 minus 4, 1, 131 upon 90. Can you simplify? No. ना 2 से जा रहा, ना 3 से जा रहा, ना 5 से. Here how many 9? 1. How many 0? 1. Numerator 2134 minus 213. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 1921 upon 90. If you can simplify, okay? All of you got this answer? Now here I take one more question, then I tell you the language. You can try that language in type 1 question, type 2, type 3. Try this question. 4.05555555. If you can manage this question, it means you are comfortable in this topic. Simplify करना है. You have to tell me answer after doing simplification. Now here this is 4.05 bar on 5. As per rule, as many 9, as many digits bar? 1, 9. Some students they taught it 0, but between decimal and recurring part there is a digit. 0 is also a digit. 0 is digit. You have to put 1 0 for that. And next, some students they do mistake. They take 405 minus 4 or minus 5. It will be 405 minus 40. So it is 365 upon 90 divided by 5, 73 upon 80. Now you write numerator upon denominator. Any question, our numerator is total number minus non-recurring part. Denominator, as many 9 as many digit under the bar, followed by as many 0 as many digit between decimal and recurring part. On your Telegram group, I will share some question for practice. Next, you put heading prime number. Okay. My request to online students, because what happen online students, we can't see what you are doing over there. कहाँ बैठे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, तो जो भी लेके बैठना है, योर स्टफ चखना एक साथ लेके बैठना, बीच बीच में उठोगे कंसेप्ट मिस भी हो सकते हैं. एनी डाउट? रिकरिंग डेसिमल पार्ट, ठीक है, मैं रिपीट कर सकता हूँ, मैंने बता भी दिया. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट, 9 आएगा एज मैनी डिजिट अंडर द बार के लिए, 0 आएगा डेसिमल और रिकरिंग पार्ट के बीच में जितनी डिजिट होंगी उनके लिए 0 आता है. You can see the recording part if you miss. Now next topic, prime number. Okay. I think all of you know. How many of you know about prime number? Tell me. One and itself. Other than this, he has given his definition of prime number, any number which have only two factor, 1 and itself. Other than that, if you want to add on any information, prime number are also whole number. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, that is different thing. Prime number are different. No, whole number is a misconception. Whole number are different, prime number are different. Okay, you erase that part from your mind. It was written in NCERT. Just show me, I will cross check. Maybe you miss other things. उसमें से कोई पार्ट आपने मिस कर दिया होगा, या तो ये पूछा होगा होल नंबर में से प्राइम नंबर कौन कौन से है, या लिखा होगा प्राइम नंबर इज ए सेट ऑफ होल नंबर, कुछ होगा. यू हैव टू शो मी दैट पार्ट, आई विल चेक. हाँ जी, एनी अदर इंफॉर्मेशन? Any other thing? Ajay, tell me whether 1 is a prime number. No. Why? Okay. Fine. Now here I tell you about prime number. See, my experience in my teaching career, there are some basic concept. All odd are prime. No. देखो अब थोड़े इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स निकल के आएंगे. All odds are prime. 9 is a odd number, but 9 is not a prime number. Prime number are not divisible by any other number other than 1 and itself. कह सकते हो not divisible by any other number except 1 and itself, that is okay. But you can't say all odd number are prime number. 9 is not a prime number, 25 is not a prime number, 15 is not a prime number. So you can't say that thing. The odd numbers are prime number. So my point is, there are basic concepts like prime number, co-prime number, HCF and LCM. School days, all of us have crammed this concept. हमने रटा है. And what is the problem when you cram this concept? Then if that particular question is asked, you will able to solve. But if any question is asked of applied concept, you will not able to solve. So don't cram mathematics. Otherwise, mathematics will cram you. We have to learn mathematics. The basic concept we have to learn. And what we have done is during school days, there are many things like which is wrong actually in our school curriculum, but that is the requirement of the time we have to do. Our teacher has put a pressure on us to cram the definition of prime number. उन्होंने बोला कि रट लो definition, and we have done that. But I'm not in favor of that. See, my purpose is to teach you the concept. I'm not bothered about definition, because what I feel definition is nothing. When you convert your concept in language, that is definition. वो definition English में भी हो सकते हैं, हिंदी में भी हो सकते हैं, मराठी में भी हो सकते हैं. You can define in your own word, but main purpose is you have to learn the concept. कभी भी अपना purpose ये मत देना कि you know the definition. You have to say I know the concept, and once you know the concept, definition आप खुद भी बना सकते हो. You can write in your own language, that is definition. तो हमें definition के पीछे नहीं भागना, हमने concept के पीछे भागना. ठीक है? We have to learn concept. Definition is very simple. Now at this stage, anything which I can ask you to define, you can define. Maybe in English, maybe in Hindi, maybe in your mother tongue, you can define. Maybe crisp, maybe lengthy. If you are very good hold on language, you can give a crisp definition. But if you know the concept, you may give a lengthy definition. Doesn't matter. उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता math में. Maybe in your essay, maybe in your answer writing, your subjectivity, it matters. How crisp you are in answer writing. But in my area, it doesn't matter whether you give me a one-line definition or a two-line definition. Only the point is you have to define the concept. But main purpose is we have to learn concept. अब देखो धीरे धीरे हम सारी चीजें समझते जाए. We have natural number that I already told you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are natural. Okay. Now we categorize natural number in three categories. One, prime number and composite number. One, prime number, composite number. Here online student is saying one is prime, but I say one is not prime. One is neither prime nor composite. One is neither prime nor composite. One ना तो prime है ना ही composite. Can anyone tell me what is the reason behind this categorization? What we have used as a concept for this categorization? Are composite. My question is why one is not prime, one is neither prime nor composite. क्यों one को फिर अलग क्यों रखा? One को जा सकता था. One factor only. Or what is the purpose behind this categorization is number of factor. Number of factor. How come one number of factor? One has only one factor. Then we have some natural number which have exactly two factors. And then we have other natural number which have more than two factors. Who has given the concept of prime number? I respect that person. Like in your art and culture, you have like temple structure. Okay? Maybe in this 21st century, in AI era, robotics era, you can't appreciate that. You can make anything now on computer. You have a 3D printing, robotics are working. But see, I tell you, this is the only people who respect art and culture because you think contemporary. अगर आप सोचेंगे 12वीं सेंचुरी में वो टेम्पल बना है, then only you can understand the importance of that structure. कि हाँ यार, उस टाइम पे उन्होंने ये बनाया, उस टाइम पे पिरामिड बने हैं, उस टाइम पे ताजमहल बना है. So similarly here, whoever given a concept of prime number, we have respect for that person. What that person has done, he has worked on natural number, then he categorized those natural numbers separately which have exactly two factors. उसने उनको अलग लिखना स्टार्ट कर दिया, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, because we made a separate category of the natural number which have exactly two factors. And even people, they are doing their PhD on prime number, and there is a race going on, there is a fight going on to find a larger prime number. आज मैंने कोई एक बड़ा प्राइम नंबर निकाल दिया 16 डिजिट का, then there is a fight going on, somebody else will try to find a bigger prime number than my prime number. फिर वो मेरे से बड़ा प्राइम नंबर निकालने की कोशिश कर रहा है. So this is going on, but we don't need to bother about that part. But actually we have to understand one thing. There is a person who, what that they have done, they categorize those natural number which have exactly two factor, and they start calling this as prime number. So what is prime number? Prime number are those natural number which have exactly two factor. And what are these two factor? 1 and the number its. I think all of you know factors. Let me brief those who don't know. 9. What are the factor of 9? 1, 3, 9. 9 is divisible by 1. 9 is divisible by 3. 9 is divisible by 9. So these are the factor of 9. What are the factor of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So this is called factor. So 1 has exactly one factor, that is 1 only. Prime number have exactly two factors, and what are composite number have more than two factors. This is the concept. Then we have given a definition. फिर हमने definition दी. Prime number are those natural number which have exactly two factor, and that is 1 and itself only. पहले तो हमने categorize किया, फिर definition दी. Example like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Composite number, those who have more than two factor, like 4. What are the factor of 4? 1, 2, and 4. So you can't take 4 in a prime category because it has more than two factor. Since it has more than two factor, that's why we start calling this type of number as composite number. Like 6. What are the factor of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 has 4 factor. It has more than two factor. That's why it is composite number. Like 10. What are the factor of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10. So 10 has 4 factor. So 10 is also a composite number. So composite number are those natural number which have more than two factor. Don't say composite number are those which are not prime. So 1b फिर तो composite हो जाएगा. No. Composite number are those natural number which have more than two factors. We have three category. 1 prime number, composite number. 1 have one factor, prime number have two factor. The natural number, those who have more than two factor, we start calling that type of natural number as composite. तो हमने तीन कैटेगरी बनाई थी. 1 को अलग रखा, प्राइम नंबर, कंपोजिट. Now you write some of the property. 1 is neither prime nor composite. One is unique. If there is a question, 1 is a prime number, no. If there is a question, 1 is a composite number, no. 1 is unique. Can anyone tell me why 1 is unique? I tell you the story. See here, when we made a category of prime number which have two factor, then this one requested कि take me in the category of prime number. One ने request की prime number को कि मुझे prime number मान लो. Then prime number had asked whether you have two factor. One told no, I have only one factor. Then one went to composite number कि मुझे composite number मान लो. देन वी पुट ए कंडीशन वेदर यू हैव मोर देन 2 फैक्टर, वन टोल्ड नो, तो वन ने अपनी अलग कैटेगरी बना ली, वन इज यूनिक। आई टेल यू, वन इज लाइक अवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब मोदी जी, जो सिर्फ एक इंसान की सुने, खुद की, ठीक है, किसी और की नहीं सुनते। अब थोड़े डाइल्यूट होते जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, वो बात नहीं रही उनमें। प्राइम नंबर जो दो लोगों की सुने, लाइक एग्जांपल लाइक केजरीवाल, अडियल टाइप इंसान, ठीक है, दो लोगों की सुने, खुद की, एक और की। एक और कौन? मनीष सिसोदिया। इन द लास्ट मैच वन पर्सन टोल्ड हिज वाइफ, वो अपनी वाइफ के बिना सो लेगा, मनीष सिसोदिया के बिना नहीं। तो इतना प्यार है, मनीष सिसोदिया जेल गया तो वो भी पीछे पीछे जेल गए। तो दो लोगों की सुने, जो दो लोगों की सुने वो होते हैं प्राइम। कंपोजिट नंबर वो जो सबकी सुने, राहुल गांधी सुन लिया। तो वन इज यूनिक because there is no other natural number exist which have only one factor. Prime number are infinite, prime number आते रहेंगे, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, कमी नहीं है प्राइम नंबर की। कंपोजिट नंबर आर इनफाइनाइट। Can you tell me any other natural number which exists which have exactly one factor other than one? No. So one is unique, one जैसा कोई है ही नहीं। तो वन को तो रियलाइज हुआ, तू तो भाई यूनिक है, क्यों जाना प्राइम नंबर में, क्यों जाना कंपोजिट नंबर में। वन इज यूनिक, व्हाई वन इज यूनिक? क्योंकि वन जैसा कोई और नेचुरल नंबर है ही नहीं। डू यू हैव एनी अदर नेचुरल नंबर अदर देन वन व्हिच हैव एग्जैक्टली वन फैक्टर? नो। वन इज नीदर प्राइम नॉर कंपोजिट, वन इज यूनिक। यूनिक उसको बोला जाता है जिसके जैसा कोई और ना हो। One is unique. Why? Because there is no other natural number exists which have exactly one factor. Do you have any natural number which have exactly one factor other than one? No. You have minimum two factors. Other than one, all the natural number will have minimum two factor. Maybe two factor, maybe three, or maybe more. So one is unique. Why? Because there is no other natural number which have exactly one factor other than one. So here our point is one is neither prime nor composite. One is unique. Next you write 2 is the smallest prime number. ओके ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, अनिकेश तिवारी और किसको आवाज कम आ रही है? वॉइस। पिंकी, पिंकी पटेल, व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन रिफ्रेश लेक्चर को, रिफ्रेश कर लो। 2 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर। टू इज द ओनली even prime number. Two is the only even prime number. Can you tell me other than 2 any other even number which is prime as well? No, like 4. When you check 4, 4 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 4, 4 is divisible by 2 as well. So all other even number have minimum 3 factors. Other than 2, there is no other even number exists which is prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. And it is that wonderful concept, it is used every year. There is one question indirectly, not directly. Directly कोई नहीं पूछने वाला. Indirectly, depend on the level. Maybe they ask easy level question, they may ask difficult level question. जैसे इस साल वाले question सारे difficult level के थे. But based on this concept. So you should know this concept that 2 is the only even prime number. Means other than 2, there is no other even number which is prime number as well. 2 सिर्फ एकमात्र even number prime number है. Is it okay? There is one doubt, sir, 0 is in which category? See here, we are talking about natural number. हमने 0 की बात ही नहीं करनी है. We will never talk about, because there is a doubt. Many students they ask, sir, can we consider -2 as a prime or not? No. Check your conceptual clarity. First condition for a prime number, it should be natural number. हम अभी natural number की बात कर रहे हैं. हमें 0, -1, -2 से कोई लेना देना नहीं. हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नेचुरल नंबर. प्राइम नंबर के लिए वेरी फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज इट शुड बी ए नेचुरल नंबर. जीरो तो इस कैटेगरी में आएगा ही नहीं. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नेचुरल नंबर. वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट जीरो. वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट नेगेटिव इंटीजर. देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन. There is no point of a question whether 0 is a prime composite one. First thing is this is out of our discussion. Our discussion is about natural number only first. अब हम सिर्फ natural number की बात कर रहे हैं फिलहाल. तो 0 we will not talk about 0. First condition is it should be natural. क्योंकि we take factors of natural number only. नेगेटिव इंटीजर के भी हम फैक्टर्स नहीं काउंट करा करते. Okay, next point. I give you one factual information, and there was a question this year prelims based on this. 1 to 50 we have 15 prime number. 1 to 50 we have 15 prime number. Fifth one is 1 to 100 we have 25 prime number. We will remember all this 25 prime number today itself. This year there was a question based on this, and every year we have a question based on this first 25 prime number. Okay. Whether I have to dictate definition of prime number, is it okay? ये लिख लो अगर डेफिनेशन लिखनी है तो प्राइम नंबर की. Prime number are those natural number which have exactly two factor. Prime number are those natural number which have exactly two factor. One and the number itself only. One and the number itself only. Composite number are those. Next you write composite number are those natural number which have more than two factor. Which have more than two factors. Okay. I give you the list of this prime number. I give you one mnemonic for that, so that you can work on this 25 prime number. 44, 22, 322, 321. Okay. 44, 22, 322, 321. It's like a 10-digit number, like mobile number. Okay. Maybe your college days you remember so many mobile numbers, so you can add one more for different purpose. Have you seen one changes? Earlier there was no mobile, there was a landline things. We used to remember number. ठीक है, अपना नंबर, जिसकी जरूरत है उसका, उसके पड़ोस का नंबर. ठीक है, we used to remember, we used to have good memory. Now here time is we are dependent on artificial memory. So now time is you know your number or maybe your parents number. ठीक है, या एक नंबर और याद. And I can guarantee in our class we have minimum 10 student, even they don't know their own number. उनसे अगर नंबर पूछ लो मोबाइल में खोल के बताएंगे कि हाँ मेरा ये नंबर है. Because we are so much dependent on this artificial memory. And I'm lucky enough to have a species. This is the last species, you people, ठीक है, who use mind. बाकी लोग तो सिर्फ रील में, इंस्टा में बिजी हैं. See here, those are preparing for UPSC, they are using their mind. It's like physical exercise. See, when you go to gym, when you do exercise, to strengthen your muscle, you keep on increasing the weight. पहले 2.5 kg के डंबल से आप एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, then you have some stamina 5 kg, 7.5 kg, 10 kg, आप वेट बढ़ाते रहेंगे. सेम हियर, यहाँ पे भी यही होता है. Your mind also have that capacity. Maybe you have a capacity to hold one paragraph. Slowly and gradually you will have a capacity to hold 2 paragraphs. Slowly and gradually you have a capacity to hold 100 facts. You will have a capacity to hold 200 facts. But for that you have to put pressure. As you put pressure on your muscles, physical muscle, वो तो दिख रहा है, ये नहीं दिखता. And that's why it has been mentioned, book reading habit is very good habit for your memory, for strengthening of your memory. क्योंकि आप जब बुक रीडिंग करते हैं, you keep on holding information in your mind. And nowadays we have a culture, reel culture, short culture, ये धीरे धीरे आपकी मेमोरी पूरी खत्म कर देगा. ठीक है, वो मतलब पूरा खत्म करने वाला मेमोरी को. Anyways, so here, before I tell you this is 4 means 0 to 10 we have 4 prime number. It tell you the range. 10 to 20 we have 4 prime number. 20 to 30 you have 2 prime number. 30 to 40 you have 2 prime number. 40 to 50 you have 3 prime number. 50 to 60 you have 2 prime number. 60 to 70 you have 2 prime number. 70 to 80 you have 3 prime number. 80 to 90 you have 2 prime number. 90 to 100 you have 1 prime number. I give the list. But before that I ask you a question. Just try to help me out. Can you tell me 7 consecutive 2-digit number which are composite? There is no prime number. 7 consecutive, लिख लो, just write this. एक पेज छोड़ के लिखना. Give this much space for this table. Below that you can write question. इसके लिए space छोड़ दो. I give you the list. 7 consecutive 2-digit number which are composite number. Seven consecutive 2-digit number which are composite number. हाँ जी, yes, you're right. 90, 91, 92. इसका आंसर है 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 9. You don't have any prime number out of this 7. And this is the only 7 consecutive 2-digit number which are composite. No other 7 consecutive 2-digit number. इसके अलावा कोई और नहीं मिलेगा. 7 consecutive 2-digit number which are composite number. Answer is 92, 96, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Now I give you this table. Two, 3, 5, 7. Starting all of you know. 11, 13, 17, 19. 23, 29. 31, 37. 41, 43, 47. 53, 59. 61, 67. 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. 90 to 100, 97 is the only prime number. यहाँ पे 97. Like in UPSC preparation, many students they say, "Sir, I'm not good in cramming." जैसे रटा नहीं जाता. Then this exam is not for you. You have to cram. See here, if you can't remember article from Constitution of India, how you can write a good answer about that? जब आपको article ही नहीं याद होंगे, तो आपका आंसर भी फीका फीका रहेगा. It will be a layman type of answer. And many people they say, sir, I'm not good in concept. मैं रट तो सकता हूँ, concept नहीं समझ. Then also this exam is not for you. See, it is a balance. This exam we are looking for people. Those are good in cramming also. Those are good in conceptual clarity also. Then there is one more problem I have seen in student. Many student what they do overlapping. जो रटना उसको समझ रहे हैं, जो समझना उसको रट रहे हैं. वो और खतरनाक है. Like here, prime number concept they cram. This table they try to understand. इसको कुछ नहीं understand नहीं करना, रटना है. Table from 2 to 20, no need to understand, रटना है वो तो. You have to cram it up. This table also you have to cram. This is your homework for today. ये रटनी है आपको, जैसे मर्जी रटो. It depend on your retention power. Some of you may able to retain in one go, but average time is 5-6 times. I'm an average person. For me, it takes 5-6 time to retain things. I write again and again. I read again and again. I read this table loudly. Okay? For me to retain or to remember any factual thing, I need 5-6 effort. किसी को ज़्यादा लग सकता है, किसी को कम. In UPSC preparation, never ever influenced by any other person capacity or capability. ठीक है. I also done one mistake during my preparation time. Like what happened? We were 3 persons from my school started the UPSC preparation same time. Other 2 persons were CA from commerce background. And that time used to be 2 optional. उस टाइम में जो पैटर्न था 2 ऑप्शनल हुआ करते थे मेंस में. So here they decided they will go with public administration as an option. I also decided. वो जा रहे थे तो मैंने भी public administration ले लिया. They decided they will do their own. They will not do coaching. I also decided the same. Why? Because they decided that. Later on I faced problem in my mains. My first mains I faced the problem. Reason being, they were from commerce background. 50% syllabus match. जब पब्लिक एडमिशन में 50% सिलेबस तो उनको ऑलरेडी आता था. मोटिवेशनल थ्योरी, मैस्लो, मैग्रेगर, दे ऑलरेडी रन इन देयर कॉमर्स पार्ट. मुझे आता नहीं था. देन आई ज्वाइन द कोचिंग. ठीक है. सो पॉइंट हियर इज इवन आई हैव सीन फॉर CSAT आल्सो. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कोचिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड, बट इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी गुड इन CSAT देन कोचिंग इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. बट अगर आपको नहीं आता तो इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. सेम हियर. If any of your friend is very good, having very good retention power, can remember facts in one go, it doesn't mean you will do only one go. आप purpose क्या हमें याद होनी चाहिए. It doesn't mean if your friend is reading once, it doesn't mean we will also read once. उसको अगर एक बार में रट रहा है तो हमें क्या पता 4 बार में रटे. पर्पस हमें रटना है. It's not like we will follow that person. उसने तो एक ही बार पढ़ा, हम भी एक ही बार पढ़ेंगे. भाई उसको अगर एक बार में याद हुआ तो हमें 4 बार में याद होता है. वी हैव टू रीड 4 times. इफ वी हैव टू रीड इट इन 6 times, रीड 6 times. मे बी यू मे हैव सम अदर कैपेबिलिटी. all of you are not equal. all of you are different. Don't get demoralized also. If you are not good in math, maybe you are good in English. Maybe your mains answer writing skill are very good. ऐसा एक बैलेंस दिया भगवान जी ने, सबको एक बैलेंस दिया है. If you are not good in mathematics, maybe you have some other capacity, some other efficiency, capability. But it doesn't means if your friend is good in mathematics, doing mathematics practice just for half an hour in a day, don't follow that person. You may need 2 hour practice per day for mathematics. And it doesn't mean that 2 hour is wasted. Maybe some other field you are faster than your friend. ऐसा हो सकता है आप किसी और फील्ड में अपने फ्रेंड से फास्ट होंगे, तो आपने अपनी स्पीड देखनी है. यू हैव टू फॉलो एज पर योर स्पीड, नॉट विद अदर स्पीड. दूसरे के हिसाब से नहीं चलना. So this is your homework. You have to remember it. Maybe in one go you are able to remember. That is good enough. Maybe 4 go, 5 go, 10 time पढ़ने से घटेगा तो 10 time पढ़. You have to remember. Okay. I tell you one more concept. Twin prime. Can anyone tell me the concept of twin prime? Two consecutive prime number. Difference is only two. So you write. What are twin prime? Two consecutive prime number with a difference of exactly 2 are called twin prime. Two consecutive prime number with a difference of exactly 2. I give you example. 3 and 5 are twin prime. 5 and 7 are twin prime. 11 and 13 are twin prime with a difference of exactly 2. Then some student asks, sir, can we take 2 and 3 are twin prime? I will say no. These are consecutive, but their difference is 1. It has to be a difference of exactly 2. Two consecutive prime number with a difference of exactly 2. Now, I ask you an open book exam. In front of you, we have a table. In this, from 1 to 100 natural number, tell me how many pair of twin primes are there. इसमें total कितने pair हैं twin prime के? Check. In this table, how many pair of twin primes are there? 18? आपका ओपन बुक एग्जाम भी कंडक्ट करें तो भी फेल हो जाएंगे कुछ नहीं. सामने टेबल है. आई एम आस्किंग यू, चेक, बी केयरफुल. हाउ मेनी पेयर ऑफ ट्विन प्राइम्स आर देयर? वन, टू. ठीक है. 11, 30, 3, 4. Maybe in UPSC preparation, when you started your coaching, many faculty they recommend you have to read between the line. I tell you have to read across the line also. ये कौन देखेगा? 29 and 31 is also a pair of twin prime. 41, 43, 59, 61, 71, 73. हो गए 8 पूरे. So we have total 8 pair of twin prime in this table. 8. You can write 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31, 41, 43, 59, 61, 71, 70. These are the pair of twin prime we have in first 100 natural number. Done? Okay. Now next thing. Your homework. Tomorrow no class. Next week we have class on Monday. and Wednesday. Next, maybe on Thursday or Friday, that I will update you on Wednesday. Monday we have class, Wednesday, Tuesday no class. Next week क्या होगा? Monday we have class, Tuesday there is no class, Wednesday we have class, Thursday, Friday, Saturday I will update you later. I will inform you. We will do number system basic. Wednesday also we will do number system basic. This is next week timetable. Okay, homework. Seventh standard NCERT और ICSC बुक में से you have to read number system related chapter. Whereas category 1 and category 0 student, they will do exercise as well. Otherwise category 2, category 3, you just read the theory part, read 1, 1, 2, 2 example, that's it. But whereas category 1, category 0 student, my suggestion, kindly do exercise as. But my experience, category 1 पढ़ते भी नहीं है, exercise तो छोड़ो. Category 1, they love their category so much, they don't want to change. वो अपना पूरा जीवन category 1 में बिताना चाहते हैं. Other than this, square, 2 square to 25 square, you have to remember. This has to be on your tips. 2 square to 25 square. Next class I will check. I will ask you a question based on this. पता चल जाएगा मुझे whether you have remember or not. So 2 square to 25 square you have to remember. Now one announcement for online students or those hybrid students, those who want to attend online. Monday lecture will be on Zoom. We will do testing starting 15 minutes, same timing 11 to 1. So starting 10 minutes it will be a testing time so that all of you will cope up with this. Basic lecture में ही testing कर लेते हैं. These are extra lecture we are giving you. Regular classes अभी start हुई. So we are not going to provide you recording. So online student, make sure as offline student they attend each and every lecture. You will also attend. In case if you will miss because of medical emergency, but बेमतलब बीमार मत पड़ना. Maybe offline student you have experience. Your cook here in Rajendra Nagar, ठीक है, वो फ्रीक्वेंटली बीमार होते हैं. जब उनको छुट्टी मारने वो बीमार हो जाते हैं. तो ऐसा मत करना. वी कैन आस्क फॉर मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट, वो भी बना लोगे आप लोग. पता है हिंदुस्तान में सब कुछ हो जाता है. Make sure your mobile is charged. You have paid your Wi-Fi bill. You have charged your mobile data pack so that if your laptop is not supporting Zoom, कल एक बार Zoom की भी प्रैक्टिस कर लेना, क्योंकि being a bureaucrat also you have to do so many virtual meetings. So this is your academy. Labasna has given us one assignment to train you for Zoom sessions and meeting also, so that later on they need not to train you. तो ये हमें ही ट्रेनिंग देनी पड़ेगी आपको. Zoom sessions कैसे अटेंड किया जाता है. वर्चुअल मीटिंग होगी आपकी जब आप IAS, IPS या एनी अदर सर्विस में होंगे. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ वर्चुअल मीटिंग यू हैव वीकली बेसिस. ठीक है, तो मंडे का सेशन विल बी ऑन Zoom. इज इट क्लियर? ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट, मंडे लेक्चर विल बी ऑन Zoom. For a smooth functioning of Zoom session, starting 10 minutes we will do testing. We will share link of that Zoom session by tomorrow evening itself on your Telegram. प्लस ऑन योर पोर्टल, आपको मेल पे भी मिल जाएगा। अच्छा, ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक और अनाउंसमेंट है। आवर स्टाफ ट्राई टू रीच आउट फॉर योर एड्रेस and for your verification. The point is, reason is we have to send you material by courier, that's why we are looking for your address. ठीक है, we need verification also. If this two thing will not be done, then what we will do, we will remove you from portal आफ्टर 15 डेज। अगर 15 डेज के अंदर अंदर हमें आप अपना एड्रेस और वेरिफिकेशन मीन्स आईडी प्रूफ नहीं प्रोवाइड करते, तो 15 दिन के अंदर अंदर हम आपको पोर्टल से हटा दें। No, we will not provide you recording. Those who are working, so chill, enjoy. Working professional, I don't know how you will cope up. ठीक है, बेसिक है, खुद से पढ़ लेना फिर तो। ओके, एनी डाउट? क्लियर? हाँ जी। 2 is the smallest prime number. मतलब वो फाइट चल रही है, बड़े से बड़ा निकाल रहे हैं। आज किसी ने 100 डिजिट कोई प्राइम नंबर निकाला, वो फाइनल नहीं है। कल को 101 डिजिट का कोई प्राइम नंबर लेके आ सकता है, कोई 105 डिजिट का बड़ा प्राइम नंबर ला सकता है। इवन द सुपर कंप्यूटर हैज नॉट रिवील व्हाट इज द लार्जेस्ट प्राइम नंबर एग्जिस्ट। तो चलता रहेगा। मतलब सिंस वी डोंट नो व्हाट इज इन्फिनिटी, दैट्स व्हाई वी डोंट नो व्हाट इज द लार्जेस्ट प्राइम नंबर। अगर आप मुझे कोई लार्जर प्राइम नंबर बताएंगे, कल मैं उससे बड़ा निकालने में लग जाऊंगा, और मैं निकाल सकता हूँ। आई कैन फाइंड ए लार्जर प्राइम नंबर देन यू। So that's why the largest prime number is a thing which never exists and no one will ask it. ये चलती रहेगी, ये तो फाइट चल रही है। आज आपने मेरे को 100 डिजिट का कोई प्राइम नंबर दे दिया, मैं कल को उससे बड़ा निकाल सकता हूँ। ये तो चलता रहेगा। दैट इज ए फाइट गोइंग ऑन, उससे हमें कोई लेना देना नहीं। स्मॉलेस्ट वन इज 2। एनी अदर डाउट? हाँ, आपको व्हाट्सएप करना है, वेरिफिकेशन और एड्रेस कहाँ बताना है, 8826619699 पे विद योर रिसिप्ट। जो आपकी कोर्स की रिसीट है उसके साथ आप भेज देना, वी विल टेक केयर। हाँ जी, ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, इज इट ओके? क्लियर, समझ में आ रहा है? पीएनसी भी इतना इजी है, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट। So mathematics is not difficult, it is interesting. It is total myth that mathematics is very hard to understand. It is very easy, very easy. And luckily you have to score only 66 marks out of 200. ठीक है, वो हमारे लिए एक रिलीफ है, which is achievable even for category 0 student also, but provided that you have a interest. Thank you students. अभी इस हफ्ते टेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, टेस्ट नेक्स्ट वीक के बाद ही स्टार्ट करेंगे। क्या है था? यूजिंग डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट डिटरमाइन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर डिविजिबल बाय। आई विल टीच divisibility of 11, I will teach next week. I will teach write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank. This also let me complete it, then you will understand. Will take this doubt when I will take divisibility topic. हाँ, हाइब्रिड स्टूडेंट एंड ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट, आप ये क्लास यहाँ ऑफलाइन कर सकते हैं। मतलब मंडे वाली क्लास ऑफलाइन तो रहेगी, आपको यहाँ अटेंड करनी है। ऑनलाइन वाले जिनको करना है वो पोर्टल की बजाय जूम पे रहेगी। डू इन्फॉर्म योर फ्रेंड ऑल्सो, इट इज ऑफलाइन प्लस ऑन जूम, इट विल नॉट बी ऑन पोर्टल। ऑफलाइन होगी मंडे वाली क्लास, ऑफलाइन है, तो डू इन्फॉर्म योर, थैंक यू, डू इन्फॉर्म योर फ्रेंड, ये ऑफलाइन भी है। सिर्फ मेंटरशिप सेशन ओनली जूम वो होंगे। ये लेक्चर जो है ये आपके ऑफलाइन भी है प्लस जूम, बस पोर्टल पे नहीं होगा मंडे वाला लेक्चर। दैट इज अ चेंज। मैं अभी ग्रुप पे भी डाल देता हूँ एक वीडियो बना के, ताकि एक मिस कम्युनिकेशन ना हो। आपके लिए ऑफलाइन है, यू आर वेलकम टू द क्लासेस, क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ कैमरा नहीं पढ़ा पाता। Whatever it may be, doesn't matter. What you do, you follow this rule. Whether it is type 1, type 2, type 3, that is not our concern. Our concern is to use this. If I ask you any question like this, I ask you this 0.55555. Don't bother whether it is type 1, type 2, type 3. It is 0 point bar on 5. So tell me how many digits in the bar? 1, 1, 9. Do you have any digit between decimal bar? No, 0. And what is your number? 5. And non-recurring is 0. Your answer is? I will teach you, not now, because these are difficult sites. You have to wait. You have to wait. Don't practice any PYQ on board mass right now. We will do later. I will teach you. You have to wait. Yeah. Yes, fine. I will teach. I will cover when I will cover number of factors topic. It doesn't matter. Answer will be same. But since 3 is repeating, you can say 3 repeating, 33 repeating, 333 repeating. आंसर तो सेम आएगा, बट जब 3 रिपीट हो रहा है तो 33 तो अपने आप रिपीट होगा। तो आपने छोटे नंबर लेने हैं, जितनी कम से कम डिजिट हो आपकी रिपीटेशन में, दैट इज बेटर। आपका टाइम बचेगा, आंसर सेम आएगा। आप ट्राई करके देखना। आप घर पे ये क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी ट्राई कर लेना या ऐसे भी ट्राई करना, आंसर सेम आएगा, बट यहाँ टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा या टाइम कम लगेगा। तो कम से कम डिजिट देखने हैं जो रिपीटेशन में आ रही है आपको पैटर्न। हाँ जी, this is your bracket, this is your multiplication. So first you do this 12, 8 plus 12 minus 16. Then you do addition. This is 20 minus 16. So overall it is 4. So it is 24 divided by 4. When you open this bracket, it becomes 24 divided by 4. It will be 6. So 9, curly bracket 7 minus 6. What is 7 minus 6? 1. What is 9 minus 1? 8. You go step by step. Flow step by step. ये आपने क्या किया? 4, 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 4 क्या होता है? 2 माइनस 1 1, ये हो गया 1, ये हो गया -5, ये हो गया -2, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, ये हो गया -4, ये हो गया 4, 7 -7। सही है। सही है, यही आंसर है ना आपका? सही है, सही है। Yes, Zoom link we will share by tomorrow. When you will get study material, today is 7th, आज 7 तारीख है। By 17th June, all of you will get material offline, hybrid plus सबको मिल जाएगा 17 जून। ठीक है, जिसको नहीं मिलेगा यू कैन कॉल ऑन आवर रिसेप्शन नंबर, हम देख लेंगे। 10 जून के बाद हम डिस्पैच करना स्टार्ट करेंगे, और ऑफलाइन वालों को भी हम अराउंड इसी के अराउंड वी विल प्रोवाइड यू मटेरियल। तब तक हम बेसिक करेंगे। बेसिक मंडे ऑफलाइन भी रहेगी और जूम पे भी रहेगी। मंडे क्लास ऑफलाइन भी है, जूम पे भी है। ऑफलाइन एंड हाइब्रिड स्टूडेंट आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू कम ऑफलाइन। अगर हाइब्रिड स्टूडेंट का नहीं आने का मन है वो जूम पे कर सकता है, बट पोर्टल पे नहीं होगा मंडे वाला। हाँ हाँ, पाई इज एन इरेशनल नंबर, 180 डिग्री है। पाई क्या होता है? सरकमफ्रेंस अपॉन डायमीटर। पाई ये होता है, जब हम ज्योमेट्री मेंसुरेशन में पढ़ेंगे पाई की एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू होती है। ये देखो, ये सरकमफ्रेंस अपॉन, सरकमफ्रेंस क्या होता है? 2 पाई आर, तो यहाँ से पाई आता है। और पाई को जब हम देखते हैं डिग्री में 180 डिग्री आता है। रेडियंट भी हो सकता है, बट पाई रैशनल नहीं है। इनका टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर देना, कविता को बोल देना।